For billions of years, Earth has written its own story. Volcanoes shaped continents, oceans formed, and the first tiny life emerged. Now, it's time to witness that story with your own eyes. My name is Tara, and together we'll travel through every chapter of Earth's incredible history. 4.56 billion years ago, there was no Earth, no oceans, no sky, no life. Only an endless cloud of gas and dust surrounding a newborn star. Around the Sun, gravity shaped an enormous spinning disk of dust, ice, and gas, the Solar Nebula. Tiny particles began sticking together. Dust became pebbles. Pebbles became rocks. Over millions of years, gravity transformed these rocks into giant planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. One growing world became larger than the rest, the young Proto-Earth. For millions of years, colossal impacts pounded the newborn planet. The energy released is so immense. Earth completely melted. Heavy iron and nickel sank toward the center, creating Earth's core, while light rocks floated upward to form the mantle and primitive crust. The young Earth had found its structure, but its greatest challenge was still to come. Sharing Earth's orbit, another young planet traveled around the Sun, its name Theia. Their paths crossed. Then everything changed. They struck Earth with unimaginable force. Earth's surface melted again, while it was completely destroyed. A vast ring of molten rock circled the shattered planet. Within only a few thousand years, gravity performed its masterpiece. The moon was born. The collision titled Earth's axis, giving rise to the seasons and shortened Earth's day to only 6 hours. Earth became an inferno, a world covered entirely by molten rock. From unimaginable destruction, a new world had emerged, a planet with a moon, a planet that would one day become home to us.